Now students, let's come to the last question of this exercise, of this chapter, that is, why do you think that solar energy has a bright future in India? See, I have already taught you regarding solar energy. So let me tell you that solar energy has a very bright future in India because of several reasons. There are several reasons why solar energy is considered, or it has a bright future, a very bright future in India. See, first of all, solar energy is a renewable source of energy that is produced from sunlight. That means it is a clean source of energy. It does not cause pollution to the environment. It does not degrade the environment. It is not ruining the environment. So first of all, this is the reason. Second, India is a tropical country. Okay students, India is a tropical country due to which it receives abundance of sunlight throughout the year. See, we get sunlight free of cost. Are we paying in order to receive sunlight? No, we are not. We are not paying. So we are getting abundance of sunlight free of cost, and that sunlight is used to produce electricity. So this is also one reason why solar energy has a bright future in India. Then students, solar and I think you must have seen the solar plates. So in that, photovoltaic technology is used, and so due to the photovoltaic technology, sunlight is directly converted into electricity. See, photovoltaic technology is a technology that is used to convert, that is used to directly convert solar, that is used to directly convert sunlight into electricity. So due to this technology, the sun rays or the sunlight is directly converted into electricity. Then students, solar plants, they can be easily established in rural and remote areas of our country. So due to the solar plants, due to the solar plates that are established, with the help of them, electricity can be produced in the rural and remote areas of our country that do not have access to electricity. So in those areas, in those remote areas, electricity can be produced, and they can get the benefits of electricity. This is also one reason. Then students, solar power plants will reduce the dependence of rural households on firewood and dung cake, which will ultimately reduce pollution and will help to conserve the environment. See, before the use of solar energy, firewood and dung cakes were used in order to produce, for fuel wood, for firewood. So and the dung cakes, the dung cakes, when they are burnt, they produce methane, which is very harmful for the environment. So now the people living in villages and remote areas, the probability of dependence on such items have reduced, and they have shifted to solar energy. So that is why, because of these reasons, it can be said that India has a very bright future for, cut this line. So because of the following points, it can be said that solar energy has a very bright future in India. So I hope that this question is clear to everybody. I also hope that all the topics, all the points as well as exercises are clear to everybody. With this, we have come to the end of this chapter. So students, it was a very nice time with you, and I'll meet you in the next video with a new chapter. Till then, thank you so much. Revise your lessons well and stay safe. Thank you.